How are you dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic, and how is it to work as a data scientist from home?
I'm doing good. And as a data scientist working from home, I would say it's really the best thing and the most comfortable thing. And now it's like a habitual. I'm habitual of it. I don't want to go to office now. It's really very nice to be working from home now. And if I say as a team also, we are having a conversation daily, and most of the time we people are engaging. So it's not like that we people are not engaging and we are not liking working from home. Now we become habitual of it and we just want to be as a permanent solution.
What was your academic and professional background before pursuing data science?
So basically, I have completed my electrical engineering. I have completed my BTech in the electrical engineering branch. And after then, I have joined as a software engineer in Robert Bosch organization, RBEI, Bangalore. This was the journey before moving to the data science profession for me.
Please talk about your experience in transiting into data science field along with your journey at Skillslash.
I was already really very excited to moving towards a data science team, data science background. And the thing is, like how Skillslash helped me, it was like a major role. It plays a major role in the journey towards the data science. Like data science is not only about the one skill; it is a combination of skills, and it is not possible to gain at a one spot. So I would say this is the platform where I have learned many things. Like it's not only about one thing, as I had mentioned. We learn the programming skills. We should have some mathematical background as well to solve the complex problem related to the data science and related to the machine learning domain as well. So I would say like whatever the skills I have gained here, it really plays a major role in moving towards the data science background.
What matters the most during interviews? Certification, skills, or project experience?
Uh, Answering to this question, I would like to mention you are mentioning three things here: skill set, certifications, and the projects. So, first point I would like to mention certification is like a gateway. Uh, Today's world, most of the vacancies, whenever you will come across, it would be like certification is necessary, or the certified candidates would be preferred. So, obviously, this would be a plus point for the candidates who are certified in that field. Plus, the thing is, if you are doing any certification, obviously it will include some project which build your skill set. So the thing is, whatever projects you are doing, you are applying some knowledge to it. You are applying the skills which you have gained throughout the journey. Whenever you are, and the interviewer would be like, if he asks you anything about your project, you should be very confident and you should be very clear about that. What exactly the interviewer wants to listen and what exactly you have done there. So, as I mentioned, data science is not only about the one skill; it is a combination of skills. So, you should be knowing this at which point of time, which skills are you going to use there for a specific solution of that problem. So, you could be stuck at anywhere. If you have mentioned any project in your resume, and if your interviewer is asking, he can asking you some naive question. Okay, just tell me about this project. How have you done this? So it's not like only one thing we have done. We have applied all the skills which we have learned. It's related to the programming skills. We can say it's related to the statistics, which includes some mathematical domain, or it could be any machine learning algorithm, which I would say like we should have a depth knowledge of each algorithm because it would be like a cross question. If you're answering something to the interviewer, he could catch up you with anything. So you would be mentally prepared for that, and it would be like you should be very good in the project explanation, so which plays a major role for the interviewer.
Any two qualities you found helpful at Skillslash? Please talk about it.
So I would like to mention about the first thing is like the 3-year subscription which we used to get here. The thing is today also, if I want to learn something new or whatever the things I have learned till now, I've given the interview, I've cracked the job, that's fine. But if today in this situation also I want to learn some new topic, I could go through it. And I can watch those videos also, which I have already done in the past. Obviously, we won't remember each and everything every time. So today also, if I have to think, okay, what should be the solution of this problem and how could I come across it? So I would be preferring those videos. So it would be the nice thing which Skillslash provides. It's a 3-year subscription would be a major part of that. And the other thing is like build your own course. I would say, like as I have mentioned before, also data science is not only about the one thing. In data science, we have a lot of fields as well. like if we'll say machine learning engineer, data science analyst, data scientist. So for each domain and for each position, we should have different type of skills, or I should say different level of skills. So and according to our experience as well, because everyone would be in the data science domain, but the profile would be different, the work would be different. So it would be build your own course would be like according to our experience, according to our expertise, according to the level at which we can apply it today at the today's time. So it's a very good thing, like we are able to map our path according to our past experience as well as present experience. So these two things are the most, I will say, the good things which I found in this Skillslash.
Any suggestions for aspirants trying to get into the data science field?
First of all, I would like to congratulate those type of individuals who are seeking their future in the field of data science domain, because we know like data is a new oil, and in the upcoming years we are getting a lot of opportunities in the data science domain. So most of the jobs are going to replace by the data scientists, and without having these type of skills as a data scientist, whatever the things we have mentioned till now, we have discussed till now, it's not very easy to crack those type of interviews and to be a part of today's world and today's competitive world, in the future competitive world. We should have these skills. I would say these skills would be like an inbuilt part of our profession now. So it's, and this is one of the brightest future in the coming time. So I would say, yeah, it's a very good step for you to move towards the data science. And the most important thing, this is the correct time to move towards that. The thing is, we people are and like in a transition domain. So this is the time to have these type of skills and to be a part of that field. So this would be my suggestions to all of the people who want to make the transition to the data science. Just have a skills related to the data scientist, which we need to be as a part of any data science team, and just go towards it. Because once you will be in that field, you don't need to worry about your future, because this future will always be bright, and you will have a lot of opportunities in the market.
What, according to you, is more helpful, certification or project experience?
I would say both things have some values. It's not like that the certification is not have any value and the skills are not have any value. As I mentioned before also, certification is a gateway. Like if you are going across any job opportunities, most of the time you would find like certified candidates are preferred. So that would be the gateway for you. And obviously, if you are doing any certification, it would be thinking like you already know all those skills which are needed as a data scientist, and it would be good for you as a part of your work. And skills, that's a main and most important part. It's like if you are having a certification and if you are don't having any skill, where you are not able to give any answers to the interview, so it would be of no use. So the thing is, if you're having any certification as well, the most important part is the skills, because with the help of skills only, you would be able to do the task which will be given to you. Whether it's related to any project and a solution towards any type of a problem, what approach are you going to use? These things will be come to you. Obviously, this would take time, but if you'll have skills, you will be able to capture that part. You will be able to clear that part. Even in an interview, also, your interviewer will check your skills. Okay, how confident are you in, and how much are you fluent with this, and how much clear are you with the concepts? So obviously, if we'll be clearing with the concepts, we'll have all those skills which are needing as a part of a data science team. Obviously, we would be much confident and we would be able to clear the interviews as well. And as a certified candidates, it's very important to have all those type of skills. So both things plays an important role. But at the time of interview, you only have to show your skills, because interviewer also will check your skills. So this would be my point of view, how certification and skills are matter in this case.
Any advice to our students and viewers?
So I would say this is a very good field, data science domain. It doesn't have only the one about job opportunity. You can have a data analyst profile. You can have a machine learning engineer profile. You could be a data scientist. You could be a statistician. And this is like whatever the skills we people would be learning as a part of a data science journey, as a part of any course, all these skills would be useful as a part of a data scientist usual work. So this is a most important thing I would say. Like we are having a lot of job opportunities in the market today related to the data science domain. So this would be the very plus point. In the coming years, you won't face any type of I would say like there is a shortage of jobs in this domain, because now is a time where we are getting most of the jobs in this domain, and obviously these are not going to decrease anyways, because with the time obviously we are capturing more data. This is our IoT time. We are having Internet of Things. We are just trying to capture more and more data, and obviously if we're having more data, we'll have a more job opportunities in the market, which plays a very important role. And I would say we should grasp this movement, we should grasp this opportunity to be a part of data science environment, I would say, because at today's time it's like everywhere we would be saying okay data science data, because it's all about the data. And as we all know, data is a new oil. So nothing is possible without data. So I would say I just want to wish all the very best to all of those who just want to be a part of a data science team, and obviously their future would be very bright. So this would be a suggestion from my side.